Before engines became powerful, before speed became an obsession, there was the wheel, simple in form but revolutionary in purpose. It changed the way humans moved forever, long before cars existed. The wheel was already shaping civilization. From wooden carts to early mechanical transport, it became one of the most important inventions in human history. And when the automobile was born, the wheel evolved with it. In the world of machines, the wheel became more than just a component. It became a foundation. Every mile, every turn, every moment on the road depends on it. Early car wheels were heavy, rigid, unforgiving, made from solid steel, built for strength, not comfort. They could survive rough roads, but offered little control, little precision, little efficiency. But as cars became faster and roads became smoother, everything had to change. Engineers began searching for something better, a balance between strength and weight, between durability and performance. And that search led to innovation. New materials, new designs, new possibilities. Alloy wheels changed everything. Lighter, stronger, more efficient. They reduced unsprung weight, improved handling, enhanced braking, and increased overall performance. For the first time, wheels were no longer just functional. They became part of engineering strategy. A critical piece of performance, but something else happened. Wheels became identity, a reflection of the car, of the driver, of an entire culture. Different shapes, different finishes, different philosophies, from motorsport to street builds. Wheels carried the DNA of performance. On the track, they faced extreme stress. Heat, speed, pressure. Every second mattered, every gram mattered. And every design choice had a purpose. On the streets, they told a different story. Style, expression, individuality. A car could be completely transformed just by changing its wheels, and over time, every wheel begins to show its journey: scratches, dust, wear, damage. Every mark is a memory. Every imperfection is proof of motion, proof of life. But nothing lasts forever. Metal fades, surfaces corrode, time leaves its mark on everything. And that's where restoration begins. Not just as a process, but as a craft. Cleaning away years of history, revealing what's underneath, repairing damage, with precision and patience, restoring structure, restoring strength, restoring purpose. Step by step, layer by layer, the whole comes back to life. Not just as it was, but often better than before, because restoration is more than repair. It is preservation of engineering, of design, of history. Because a wheel is never just metal. It is motion, it is history, it is the connection between machine and road. And no matter how far technology goes, no matter how advanced cars become, that connection will never change. If you appreciate machines, if you respect engineering, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more mechanical stories.